This video is sponsored by Rockland Flooring. Visit our website for more information.
Has this ever happened to you?
Ah, my head!
He's got too many truck parts in his shop and doesn't know where they all are.
I've got too many truck parts in my shop, and I don't know where they all are.
Hey, that's what I said.
Wait, who's talking right now?
Someone with a solution. I've got the medicine you need for this particular headache. Check it out.
Parts inventory management.
Side effects may include knowing how many parts you have and where they are, automated inventory replenishment, avoiding unnecessary warranty costs, and more.
It's perfect. It's already enough of a headache to have to send in a truck for maintenance. Pulling a truck from its route for an extended period of time is, of course, not a good recipe for making money with that truck. But if the shop doesn't have the right part when the truck gets there, that headache gets upgraded to a migraine. If your fleet runs its own shop, it's important to stay on top of your inventory levels. Tracking how much of each part you have, how frequently they are typically used, and when it's time to order new parts. Many shops now are finding that the easiest way to do this is by investing in parts inventory management software, eliminating human error and paper tracking from the equation. Why is that? Let's take a look at a few common parts inventory mistakes. According to the shop management software companies we interviewed, fleet shops make a wide variety of mistakes when it comes to managing their stock, most of which come down to stocking too many or not enough of certain parts, and not properly keeping track of what parts they have and which ones they don't. This is the main advantage of parts inventory solutions. You will always know how much of everything you have. Many parts inventory software solutions include the option for automated inventory replenishment, meaning the parts are automatically ordered when the inventory dips below a certain number. That number can be set by the shop based on their typical usage of that part. That's the main issue that's tackled by parts inventory software, but there are other smaller issues as well. Those include unnecessary costs from warranty issues, keeping inventory on shelves for vehicles that are no longer in service, not properly managing inventory levels for high usage parts, lack of bin locations for parts, excessive administration errors, not using barcodes properly, and allowing lead time for orders. Of course, whether this kind of software can help you depends on your shop and your needs. Factors like the size of your shop and the volume of parts you order, combined with whether you've noticed some or all of these mistakes happening frequently enough that it's a problem, will determine whether the investment is worth it to you. For even more trucking and equipment content, head over to the Fleet Equipment site at fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.